Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own LLC in Utah. So the first thing you want to do is just scroll down below to the description and click on the link. You'll get right here to Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that will help you create your own LLC so you can actually start making money. Because I believe that in a business you should focus on running the business, making money, providing value to people, and not actually taking care of all the things in a business like administration, accounting, and also with like let's say how you can start a business. So here on the Incfile, you want to click Start My Business. When you're going to be here, you're going to be on LLC, State of Formation. You want to write and find Utah, and then you're going to have three options here: Silver, Gold, or Platinum package. With the Silver, you're going to have the preparing, filling the articles, unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. With the Gold package, you're going to have preparing, filling the articles, unlimited name searches, IRS form, business tax number, banking resolution, business tax consultation. So with the Gold, you're going to get the full package. And with the Platinum package, you're going to have like three things with the bonus: contract templates, expedited filling, and domain name business email. All these three things are really amazing if you want your like LLC have filled faster. But other than that, I recommend going with the Gold and have everything covered, or you can choose the Silver. It's completely up to you. Now I would click Get the Gold package. Here I'm going to add a contact person myself, so Marcus Stonelius, email, and then phone number. Now I will add a street address, city, and state, and zip code. Now when you got it, you want to click Next here. And when you're going to click Next here, you will get in next step that you can have your state filling time faster. If you choose the Gold package or the Silver, you're going to have the 3 weeks filling time or 8 business days filling time. So you can choose if you want to have your LLC faster filled. And then LLC name. So I can write here easily like Marketing Marcus. So right there your Marketing Marcus LLC name. And then you can easily choose the designator. And when you're gonna have it, you can select the number of members owners. So I can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's say I'm going with alone, just myself. Business purpose, like helping small businesses with marketing strategy. And then that's a business purpose for me. You would choose write like let's say construction, you would write construction business purpose. And for industry, marketing, consulting services. Then company address information here. So you can simply see that you can use your own address or professional business address, virtual mail service. So you can simply use your own address and then choose like the address here, or you can choose the professional business address that you would maintain privacy by using commercial address. If you want, you can go that way too and not having it as your own for like safety reasons. Then I would click here Next again. Then you're going to see the premium service package. So you can upgrade for $99 to have 2 premium services, and you can have business contract templates or domain name and business email address. So if you want, you can upgrade to premium service, or no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. Then you're going to have the members. If you're representing a company, you would choose here a company and fill it out. If you're representing individual, you would simply add a name and address here and ownership. As I'm alone, I would have 100% of ownership. Click Next here, a registered agent information here. So Utah requires an LLC to appoint a registered agent. So this is something that I definitely recommend doing with Incfile. And you see right here that assign Incfile as my registered agent for free for first year. Or you can act as your own registered agent. Now, when you have this all, what you want to do is just simply press Next here. And then you're going to have like the option to have the tax identification number information, and what will happen is that Incfile will apply and obtain your AIN from the IRS electronically. Then you would write an SSN number here, an IT number if you have it, and then physical street address. When you fill this also, you would click next here. What you can do next is to simply set up a bank account with the Bank of America. So someone from like Bank of America small business specialist would contact you. If you want, you can have it. If no, you don't have to have a bank account with the Bank of America. You can have it anywhere else. Then I will click next again. And then you're going to have the complete your order. So here you're going to have the free consultation option. So what you can do is you can have receive complete free business tax consultation, and you will learn how your LLC is taxed, how to reduce self-employment taxes. And this is something that I definitely recommend for you to have. It will help you tremendously in your business. So click here, yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation, and then press next. The last step is business licenses and permits. So you have licenses. And Incfile got a licensing specialist team to conduct the research and determine the licenses. So business owner, you're responsible for making sure your business has the proper federal, state, and local licenses and permits to operate legally. And you can easily click here, yes, identify all licenses I need, and send me the necessary application. So this is really great with Incfile. They will cover it for you. And you will have it all like street address, and they will send it to you. Now that's really great, I believe. Then you would click next again, and then you're gonna have the review order. So here you can read about what you filled in your order for your own LLC, and tax info, everything here. And when you're gonna have this all, then you would click simply next, and then you're gonna have the billing information. So here you will learn all like first name, last name, street address, city, card number, all the things you would add here, and you can like read the reviews here. Incfile made my first time entrepreneurial experience a peaceful one. I'm beyond grateful and excited to start my journey. And this is why it's really good. And what you can do here. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, let me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and support. You know how it goes, you know how it is, and that's pretty much it. This was how you can start your own LLC in Utah. Also, what you can do is just easily call to Incfile right here, or you can chat them on the bottom right. But I definitely recommend using Incfile for starting your own LLC. I gave you the whole tutorial on how you can order it. And that's pretty much it.